Hello guys! In this video, I'll show you how to use Microsoft Apps for free. No cracks and no subscription needed. This method is completely legal and officially licensed by Microsoft itself. So if you find this guide useful, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Now, let's get started. First, open your browser and search for office.com. This is Microsoft's official website. From here, click on Sign In and log in to your account. After signing in, you'll see this interface. At the top, click on Apps to view all the available Microsoft apps. In the top right corner, you'll also see an Install Apps option. You can click it if you want, but keep in mind that this method gives you free access to use Microsoft apps directly inside your browser on the Microsoft website. For example, if I want to use Word, I'll just click on it here. Then, click on Create a blank document to start a new file. As you can see, the Microsoft Word interface opens up, and I can use it completely for free in a legal way, with no subscription required. Once you're done with your work, you can share it by clicking the Share button in the top right corner. You can also copy the file link, export your document, download it as a PDF or ODT file, or even print it if you want. And that's it, you're all set. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. I'll see you in the next one.